Hello everyone, and welcome to day 3 of our meditation journey. Today we'll gently relax the body with a simple body scan meditation. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down. Let your body feel completely supported. Gently close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Again, inhale calm, exhale all tension. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Relax your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Allow your neck and shoulders to soften. Feel every breath releasing stress from your body. Now bring your awareness to your arms, your hands, and each finger. Simply notice and relax. Move your attention to your chest and heart. Feel your breathing slow and steady. Relax your stomach, your lower back, your hips. Let every muscle soften. Now notice your thighs, your knees, your calves, your feet, and finally your toes. Your entire body is calm. Your entire body is relaxed. Enjoy this peaceful moment. Silently repeat, I am calm. I am safe. I am at peace. Take one final deep breath. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining day 3.